Hi, I'm Lily, and I'm 10, and I'm going to show you how to do my nails. The first thing you want to do is wash your hands. Next, you want to pick the size that fits your nail the best. Make sure you push back your cuticles. Next, remove the purple tab. That is your protective strip. Find the silver tab and pull up your strip. I like the T method. Turn your strip and turn the backing and put them back together. Place the strip on your nail below your cuticle. If you put it on crooked, you can always lift it up and put it back down. Press it down from your cuticle towards your tip. Fold it under using your thumb as your tool. This is why you always do your thumb last. Adjust the strip on the backing. Remove the silver tab before you go to the other side. Same thing, put it below your cuticle. Seal it from cuticle to tip. Fold it under at the tip, breaking off the excess. Use your thumb as a tool to trim along the side of your nail. Wait till you're all done with your nails to file your nails. A crystal nail file is the best. I save my alcohol prep pad for the end and go over all my nails at the end. It helps to seal the nails on.
Make sure you subscribe and don't forget to check out my other videos.